Hi, cute Tux. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Good morning, everyone. It's feeling pretty nice out here today. Not too bad. Supposed to be mid-80s and lower humidity, and only thing is it could stand to have just a little more of a breeze. But it's far from horrible out here this morning, so I'll take it because what choice do I have? Hey, Stripe. Gotta add water to my fountain and get it going this morning and change these water bowls. Hi, good morning. Hi. How's my buddy? Here you go, I got your food. I do. I've got your food. Hi. Good boy. Come see. Yep, let's put that underneath there. You come see, good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Yes, a good boy. Good morning. All right, I got him. That'll wake you up first thing in the morning. I mean, seriously, all things considered, he hasn't been giving us a lot of, hasn't been giving us much of a hard time. But Don did have to put some pressure on him this morning. Don holds both front paws and puts weight from his chest onto his back, and then I open his mouth and insert the pill pusher. Sometimes I have to do the pill pusher 2 or 3 times. This morning I got lucky. I tried to half pill starting today. We'll see if that's as effective. If he starts throwing up on the front porch, I'll know that it's not. Hopefully it's fine. Good morning, Gray. How are ya? Good morning, Princess. It would probably help if I'd carried your food this way. I'll go get your food. It's just on the kitchen counter. Good morning. Well, you know what this means. This means I'm going to pull stilt grass today instead of walk. Don's going to do tire black on Ruby and then maybe pull some stilt grass, and he's got several other things to do around the yard today and in the garage. Johnny wants help with robots today or tomorrow. Don said tomorrow, because today's the better weather day and tomorrow's going to be 91 and hot, and nobody's going to want to be outside pulling weeds or doing other chores tomorrow. So anyway, I'm a little disappointed to see the sun has moved into that area over there, because that's where I sort of want to go. Hi. Just going to show you, this is sort of what the stilt grass looks like after being pulled out of the ground. You can see roots, and it's very painstaking. In amongst the ferns, I'm just looking for tall pieces and any short pieces I see and just pulling it out of the...
Well, there she is. Today's the June 8th. She'll be 7 years old on the 14th, June 14th. We got her in 2017. I just washed her yesterday. I didn't do anything special. I do use that turtle wax spray and shine, or shine and spray. Anyway, I've talked about it in a lot of our videos. In fact, now that I need to go order some more, I'm all but out. But, you know, she's got right at 130,000 miles on her. We love her. I mean, this has been a great car.
Don carries it off.
Right.
The quince needed just a little pruning. Thank you. But more importantly, and what I went to get the camera for.
Oh yeah, look at her fountain.
Woohoo. I had this nice flat surface, and I won't have enough inflatables to go in all the spots until Halloween. So I thought, why not stick this out here? I had the fountain pump from, you know, Thrifttronics. I've been getting them for $4 a piece. And the, I had the water, the bird bath. The base is used for one of the gazing globes. And I picked up the bubbler for cheap. I was like, you know what? I like this spot for it because I'm not worried about my pretty cobalt blue bird bath getting broken. It's looks pretty stable up here.
Yep.
And Don went and got the pipe, the hose for me, whatever he put in there, and it's all good.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Don was out here yesterday adding another string to this perennial here so that it doesn't go over in a storm. This one's not as tall.
Yeah, but I did put a second string on it up to
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, because we'll have a storm and then I'll be crying. So thank you. I guess this little one, I meant, Donnie, to go on Amazon. It's an Amazon kind of a day. I was going to see if I could order those green stakes in a set of 10. Even if it's 50 bucks or something, if they're $1 cheaper ordering them in a box, I was going to just go order a box.
Yeah, 'cause there's $5.50 a piece or something.
Watch behind you. We have boys about to put your foot between them. Thank you. They've tried to kill each other about 5 times today already. I keep on having serious conversations that that's not cool and it's not working.
Yeah, well, let me know if they start understanding.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Wow. That looks really
shuffle.
intricate. Now, let me get up close and get it going. Way cool. This is a wheel hub or a weapon motor?
This is a shuffler mechanism. So this is how the shell spinner is gonna move.
Okay.
This gets a weight bonus.
Huh. Way cool.
Okay.
So all along the edge here was this nasty weed. I can still get rid of some more of it. It's spreading. I don't know what it is. It had these berries and it's just a mess. I found a use for this vase that I bought last year and the fountain I bought at Thriftronics a few weeks ago. I'm pretty happy about it. Has a LED. Super cool. I think I'm gonna like that a lot. And you know, this is kind of a staging area. I think I'm gonna go get river pebbles and put it over top over here. It's gonna be a long road to getting that weed killed, and hopefully the fabric will be helpful.
So that's her self-starter hydrangea she wanted to plant down here by the creek in the little bridge. So she picked this place right here, so I dug a hole. And as you can see from the hole, it's adequate. There's my foot for scale. And so that's all the rocks I got out of that little hole. Oh, and I forgot this boulder. So, you know, this is why I just love digging. Not.
Called me sweetheart, so he can't be too upset with me.
Oh, it's all right. It's just work.
But show us your hole. Come on, show us your hole. Oh my God, look at the rocks.
Yeah. Oh, you missed the best part. I dug a boulder out for him.
A boulder? I got a quartz rock.
That was in that hole too.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah.
Bricks, quartz, driveway stone.
Yeah. My girl couldn't have picked a better, stonier spot if she tried.
I know he worked a full 20 minutes on that hole. I was up the hill doing my project.
It's big enough.
Yep, I agree. I sure ain't gonna fuss at you for bigger this time. Ain't no way. So what you think, Donnie?
It looks very pretty, but you did a really good job on that fountain.
This is protecting it from rolling into the driveway. So even though it's a little tall in front of it.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, I just felt, and the trowel's down there as a weight until we go get some river pebbles.
What? I just dug every rock in North Carolina up down there by our creek.
Those rocks are ugly.
They're North Carolina rocks.
They're ugly. They're not quartz rocks. They're driveway rocks. They didn't even come. They're not even probably native North Carolina rocks.
Well, why did I dig them up then?
To make room for my plant. This needs pretty rocks.
Of course it does.
We're in Jules and Don's taking me to Walmart and Lowe's. He's being so good.
Yeah. I'm buying rocks.
He's not going to be happy. How many bags did you figure we need?
I don't know how many bags are in there, but it's 4 foot by 3 foot. And you probably, need a couple inches, so,
I was thinking a minimum of 4, but probably 6. I'm at the Walmart in Holly Springs now, and they marked down those, what was it, $25 hydrangeas to $15. It was really pretty, but, I'm hydrangeaed out this year as far as, I can't really keep them alive through the winter. And 15 is still pretty steep. I did get a hydrangea and a petunia though that are clearanced. $5. Pond pebble, not pea gravel, sort of a medium-sized rock. I agreed to put the ones listen to me, that Dawn dug up earlier today on the bottom to help stretch them.
That's right.
Look at the pretty daylilies.
Yeah, they're blooming up their little hearts today.
Jill says it's 90, so it got 4 or 5 degrees warmer today than they said. Now the humidity is down, but it got hot on us out there. It wasn't like we were really wanting to work for 2 more hours. We was ready, so
yeah.
Of course Dawn had zero problem loading up this stuff, and I've got a microfiber between the wood and the console, although it's not really touching too much. That's sweet. It's an 85. Nice. So this is the 3rd or 4th iteration of the weapon mount, the new weapon.
Mm-hmm.
Way cool. So show us some movement or explain. Ah, okay.
It's not fully secured right now. It's missing. There's going to be nut strips here and here to hold it to the frame.
And this is going to be a metal part?
This is going to be carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. It's just prototyped in black PLA right now, so you could make sure things fit right. That'll be Send, Cut, Send?
No, CNC Madness.
CNC Madness, okay. Well, this is Wally Says Hi. This is a robot's performed really well at prior matches, but it's going to have an even, more powerful weapon. So is this the same actual metal weapon piece as last time, but you've changed the mounting so it'll be more...
At Charlotte Robot Rumble, yes.
Okay.
But from Hickory, no.
Okay, but the very last event, this is the same weapon, but the mounting for the weapon is changing.
It's very different now. It's better constrained, so it's better constrained, and it better supports the shaft of the motor since it's direct drive. You can kind of see the motor here.
Yeah, the copper. Okay.
Well, it's just aluminum. Probably.
Okay.
But but it better supports the shaft. And it better constrains the weapon motor. 'Cause at Charlotte Robot Rumble, the weapon fell off. And it shredded the entire setup for the rest of the day.
Okay.
So this is to prevent that.
All right. Well, I really like how you've been going back, trying it, finessing it, printing again, getting it just really trying to narrow down on it being just right. Good job. Well, the shepherd's pie was really good. I don't think there's quite enough left for dinner tomorrow night. That was not the plan, guys. But that's okay. There's enough left for a couple of lunches. We just watched a movie on Apple, The Family Plan. Dawn and I have seen it twice now with Mark Wahlberg, and it's good. Hi, are you ready to go out? Okay. We're going to put the rocks down maybe tomorrow. Don bought that landscaping timber so the rocks, he can make it so the rocks won't wash away. And yeah. Well, it's all lit up, looking good. My mushroom, my Walmart lights. Well, this is a Walmart light too. Yeah, we got back door. Yeah, it's actually much prettier. I'm sure that's showing up on the garage door really great through the ferns. I think the one in there right now is Star Wars. Guess I need to take that inside. Hi. Alright, I'm just coming out and enjoying the lights. Don't you two get into trouble. No siree. No troubles.